Fuck, bro.
How's it going?
Bro, this shit is tough, bro. What you do is tough. Bro, what's up, man? This shit is tough, man. What you do? It's some tough shit.
Alright, let me explain. It's Christmas Eve. I have asked my friend, which is his first time in Paris on a Christmas occasion, to go and visit Christmas markets in Paris. And he said yes.
Thank
How's
you.
it going?
At the moment, I really don't know what to and where to concentrate because I have pretty smelling sandwiches right next to me. But then there are some barbecues over there, so.
Check this out, bro. It's a hot air balloon, man.
It's really nice, this hot air balloon structure.
It's a
And
lit
then,
hot air balloon.
yeah, it's a really lit hot air balloon. And then this star one. And then this is the Chanel building over there. This place is really nice.
So today we have this amazing churros here, amazing amusement parks.
Hello, how's it going?
What's up, bro?
Nice, bro. It was really nice. Thank you for being here. It was really nice.
It was my pleasure having you as my mentor this evening.
By the way, he takes really good shots, though. So, by the way, what do you think about this inter-Christmas market, bro? What's your point of view?
Man, it's actually a very, very nice concept. It's a concept to bring people together, and I think it's a brilliant thing. Should be done all over the world.
I mean, to be very honest, it's actually happening in each and every city during Christmas.
Yeah.
But then last year here in Paris, this never happened due to COVID restrictions. But this year, after 1 year of skipping, they really had it. And by the time you're in town, so this guy has to be in town.
Lucky man.
Alright, ciao.
See you.